Hi friends, today we are making an easy Spanish sautéed chickpea and spinach lunch that is cheap, filling, and full of smoky paprika flavor. It uses pantry staples, cooks in one skillet, and gives you 4 servings in about 25 minutes. Let's walk through the simple ingredients. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Start the sauté and carry the smoky paprika flavor through the whole pan. For garlic cloves, give the dish its savory Spanish base, so mince them finely for quick, even flavor. 1/3 cup plain breadcrumbs thickens the sauce and adds a toasted, homey texture without costing much. 1 teaspoon smoked Spanish paprika brings the signature color and warm smoky flavor. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin adds earthiness that works beautifully with chickpeas and spinach. 1/2 cup crushed tomatoes gives the chickpeas a light sauce and balances the spices. 1 tablespoon sherry vinegar wakes up the pan with a gentle Spanish-style tang. 1/4 cup water loosens the tomatoes and helps the breadcrumbs turn into a light sauce. 1 10-ounce package frozen chopped spinach, thawed and squeezed dry, makes this lunch affordable, fast, and hearty. 1 15-ounce can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, is the filling protein that turns this into lunch. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chickpeas all the way through as they sauté. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a small warm bite at the finish. We begin the preparation by draining and rinsing 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, squeezing the thawed spinach dry, and finally mincing 4 garlic cloves. Having this ready keeps the sauté quick and smooth. Now that the ingredients are prepped, place the wide skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Let it warm for about 1 minute, until the oil looks glossy. Add the 4 minced garlic cloves to the warm oil and sauté for 30 seconds. Stir constantly so the garlic smells fragrant but does not brown. With the garlic fragrant, stir in 1/3 cup plain breadcrumbs. Toast them for 2 minutes, moving them around the pan until they turn lightly golden. Now stir in 1 teaspoon smoked Spanish paprika and 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. Cook them for 15 seconds only, just long enough to bloom the spices without scorching the paprika. Add 1/2 cup crushed tomatoes and stir well. Cook for 2 minutes, scraping the bottom of the skillet so the tomatoes pick up all that toasted garlic and spice. Pour in 1 tablespoon sherry vinegar and 1/4 cup water. Stir for about 30 seconds, until the mixture loosens into a thick, rusty red sauce. Now add the drained chickpeas, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Toss everything together for 3 minutes so the chickpeas warm through and get coated in the sauce. Once the chickpeas are hot, add the squeezed chopped spinach. Break it apart with the spatula and sauté for 4 minutes, until the greens are evenly mixed through the chickpeas. Now that the spinach is incorporated, lightly press a few chickpeas against the side of the skillet with the spatula. Cook for 2 more minutes so the sauce thickens and clings to everything. Give the skillet a final stir, making sure there are no dry pockets of breadcrumbs and every chickpea is glossy. Keep it over medium heat for 1 minute more if the mixture looks loose. Turn off the heat and let the chickpeas rest in the skillet for 2 minutes. This short rest lets the breadcrumbs finish thickening the sauce. The cooking is finished when the chickpeas are tender, the spinach is glossy, and the sauce holds together around the spoon. Now it is ready to serve hot. Here it is, our cheap and easy Spanish lunch, smoky sautéed chickpeas with spinach that tastes rich without needing expensive ingredients. Spoon it up hot, add crusty bread if you like, and enjoy a filling meal for 4 servings in about 25 minutes. If you enjoyed this simple recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy home cooking.